You searched how to buy shares of Bang International Corp Inc. Bang International Corp Inc. is a publicly listed company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker LBGJ, and this clip is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LBGJ to find the listing. Select the result that clearly shows Bang International Corp Inc. on NASDAQ. Open the asset page and review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Double-check the exchange and ticker to avoid mistaking similar names. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm your order details. If the market is closed, the order may queue or be executed as a limit order, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to open an account and follow these steps.